my new kitchen. It's not completely done, it's almost done. Definitely gonna have a video all about a whole home renovation reveal, but today's video is super exciting, something you guys have been asking for a very long time, and I'm so excited to be bringing it to you today. I am in my new kitchen, in my new home. It feels like I have a new home, and I am going to be taking you guys thrifting with me to go find stuff for my kitchen, my dining room, my living room, my bedroom, whatever I can find. And since we are thrifting for home decor, thrifting for my kitchen, I'm so excited and pumped to tell you that this video is in partnership with HelloFresh. You guys have heard about HelloFresh, which is America's #1 meal kit company, and I have to tell you, I have absolutely fallen in love with HelloFresh. I actually really love cooking. What I really hate is meal prep and going to the grocery store. I get so overwhelmed in the grocery store. What I found with using HelloFresh this week is that it's so simple. I have been able to cook amazing, delicious meals all week without the hassle of going to the grocery store. It all showed up in a box, in bags, pre-measured, everything, ready to go, ready for me to cook. And every single meal that I had this week was ridiculously delicious. My kids loved it, my husband loved it, because it was so yummy and so easy. I love how delicious all of the options were. I could get out of the dinner rut of making the same old meals every single week, pick from the different 20+ recipes that are curated by a chef, and know that I'm making something different for my family every week. And I love that HelloFresh is really flexible. You can easily change your delivery days, or if you're like me this last summer, I've been going in and out of town constantly, so you can pause a week if you're gonna be out of town. It was seriously so much fun. I loved it. Every other night, my sons got to pick who was helping me cook, so that was kind of fun. And then I could even teach them, you know, how to chop things. I feel like they were eating healthier meals this entire week instead of me kind of resorting to like throwing a corn dog on their plate. Like I said, I love cooking. I hate going to the grocery store. I hate meal prepping. And now I feel like with this, I'll be able to kind of switch it up and always be making delicious, really healthy meals. I'm dairy free, so I eliminated some of the dairy, but it was really easy to add it for my kids and my husband. What I also found is HelloFresh is a great deal when planning meals and shopping for food, as I want it to be also budget friendly for our family. HelloFresh is now from $6.99 per serving. And I'm not only partnered with HelloFresh, but I also have an amazing deal for you guys. You can get started with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter the promo code BJonesStyle80 to get started with 8 free meals. Go down below, click that link, jump in on this. I will be joining you because I am converted to HelloFresh. And I'm so excited now to share my thrift adventure that I went on to find some goodies for my new kitchen, to cook some meals on, to entertain with. And we're just gonna go thrifting. You guys are gonna join me, and here we go. Can you believe we're doing this? Finally! Finally, after years of us talking about me starting to thrift for my house and taking you guys with me, I am actually doing it. I haven't done it because we've been on a big pause with our house until we did our home renovation, and that took a few years for us to get ready to do that, and so I wasn't really doing any kind of home decor. Now I'm finally and I'm finally ready to take you guys with me. I love thrifting for clothes, but I love thrifting for my house. This gets me just as excited as when I'm going looking for clothes. I do this a little bit differently. Usually for clothes, I'll just go to one store and I'll spend a lot of time there. When I am doing home decor, I usually just kind of pop into stores and scan, and I hit up multiple stores in one day. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to take you guys with me to a few of the Salvation Army thrift stores in the area. I have found that Salvation Army often has, at least in this area, has the most amount of furniture and home decor. I'm kind of open. I want to find stuff for my new kitchen. I mean, if I found a gem piece of furniture, I'm for sure going to consider it greatly. Little bits of art, just anything to kind of jazz up our house. I feel like with the new kitchen and new floors and everything, the house feels different. I love a lot of the stuff I already have, but I also want to add in more. There's a little bit more maybe glamour than there used to be. I love a lot of things from the 70s. I love things with browns and golds and orange, yellow, pinks in there a little bit. We're gonna just kind of see what we can find. This is completely different than clothes in the sense that There's not always as much to find. There might be a few little treasures here and there, so it's not gonna be loads and loads. There could be, but this is all about the hunt. Let's go hunting. Thrift store number 1. I have a few sets of this color. What is this? Amber glasses. So I love the idea of getting two different ones to add to my collection. Just found this amazing little vintage stone coffee mug. And I have a smaller version of this, but I don't have a big one, so I love that this is actually bigger because I like a big cup of coffee. One of the colors that has popped up in my new home renovation is a lot more greens, and I just found this amazing pot. What is this? Vase pot. It has some greens and browns and all the colors that I love. I kind of imagine this on the table with, you know, some greenery or something coming out of it. The thing with thrifting for home decor, I guess the same with clothes too, is that you have to just stop and really look. There's so many little things, especially in the bric-a-brac. So sometimes I notice that I look and then I look again and then I look again. And that's when the gem shows up, like this. I love, it has a little dip tray for parties. This store had so much furniture, not pieces I need. I hate when that happens, when you find furniture that's amazing but you don't need it. I am still really distracted by that one chair though. I kind of need a chair, but not right now. Anyways, I found some really great stuff for my kitchen, so I might have to leave that piece. This is the crazy part about thrifting for home decor, is that I only have one home with one look and only certain things I need and not as much money to spend on home furniture. But I found so many cool pieces in that store, but nothing that I absolutely had to have or knew exactly an area to use it. This is where I wish I had multiple houses that I was decorating. Anyways, on to the next store. I'm being haunted a little bit by that chair though. Okay, store 2, Second Salvation Army. And as fast as I'm in, I'm out. Nothing there, so I'm on to my next one. Third Salvation Army. This has all been about 10-15 minute little drives here and there. Hoping to have a little bit more luck here. I think this might have to be my last one for the day. Found this chair, which I think is crazy cool. It's like, I don't know what material this is, but it looks like it's marble. I feel like this would be amazing in my kind of little corner I have in the dining room. I think I'm gonna get this. I always forget to sit in chairs. My husband has to remind me to actually sit in things before you buy them. I go based off looks only, which I guess is not a good way to pick things. I really like this. I think this might be coming home with me. Also just found these. I've been needing some new drinking glasses and I love this set here. Not my usual cart situation. Kind of digging it. I am here for home decor, but I did just find this vintage dress. Just found these pants real quick. They are quilted-ish. They're like sweatpants. I don't even know what these are, but I think I have to bring them home. You know how I love my cozy pants that are fun. And actually, I mean, they kind of look cool with this outfit. Third store done. I will say some of the prices are a little high. I don't want to spend, you know, $300 on a side table, even if it's great. That was one of the side tables that I liked. But definitely some fun little treasures to add to my new kitchen, to my new dining room. A few of my tips for thrifting home decor. A great way to approach it is having a day where you can pop into a lot of stores. I like run in, like I did that one store where I found nothing, bought a few things. If you are doing the bric-a-brac type stuff, definitely, you know, take a little bit more time. Another tip is to keep collections and images of different inspiration for your home. So that way when you're going thrifting, just like with clothes, you have an idea of what you're looking for. Of course, there's this spontaneous find that you just fall in love with, but it's also really nice to kind of know things that you're looking for, styles, era of items. Got all my finds from today. I'm gonna bring them inside the house. I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. So I'm gonna do a thrift haul just to recap the pieces that I decided to take home. You guys saw most of it, but now that I'm in my kitchen, you can see how it's all gonna start to tie together. Okay, so the first thing that I took home were these glasses. I have 9 of them, and I was really excited to find these. They have like a vintage vibe to them. I don't know if they are or not, but they look like they're from the 70s. I'm not sure if they are, or even the 80s, but I love how big they are. I love that they have that neutral tone to them. I feel like they're gonna look really great on my table. I like to collect a lot of vintage glassware because I think for dinner parties it's really fun to have multiple different options and mix in different colors. I'd love to find more drinking glasses in different shades that I can kind of mix in for dinner parties. Speaking of glassware, I got 2 of the amber glasses. There were only 2. These are other amber glasses that I have. So I've got this one here, and I've got these. I've got a set of these, and then I also have this. For dinner parties now, I have all the same color, but multiple options. And I think it just adds character to the dinner table when you can mix it up. This amber color is very much what I love, and so just to kind of keep collecting these was really fun to find a set of 2 to add to my collection. I love entertaining, and especially now that I have a space that feels very fun to entertain, I found this, which you guys saw. I was very excited to find this piece. I love this for a party. I've got, you know, I can do some veggies and some little veggie dip or chips and salsa. I feel like I can do all different options with this, and this is very on trend right now with the whole shell thing that's going on. And I don't really have anything like this. So I thought this was such a unique piece, and I'm really excited to use this for the parties that I have coming up. I love my morning coffee, my morning mug, if you follow me on Instagram. And I love a good vintage coffee mug. So I was really excited to find this one to add to my collection of vintage mugs. This one is fun because I feel like a lot of vintage mugs are really small. Like this one's pretty small. So I was excited that this one was bigger and definitely more of the size that I like to drink out of. And I just like, I don't know, I always like that look of like the kind of neutral brown, and then it's got kind of the 70s tones in it, which are definitely a theme throughout my house. So I think these, again, it just adds character. It's fun to kind of have mix and match if you have people over and you're offering them coffee. It's fun to give them personalized and kind of fun, unique mugs that aren't just the standard ones from Target. And I think that's something to think about when you're, you know, thrifting for home decor. Thrifting for home decor is all about patience and the long game, collecting things over time. If your plan is to go and just find everything for your house in one day, it's probably not gonna happen. You just wanna start collecting it, and I think I even had to remind myself of that, of just like finding 1 mug or 2 glasses, starting there, and then you just build on your collection. So much of what's in my house is just art and rugs and furniture that I've just collected over the years. And you might think, oh, that, you know, that 1 glass or that 1 plate or that 1 chair might not make a huge difference. It does make a little difference, but what makes the difference is that you start adding to those pieces over time, and then you have this incredible collection, so much personality. It's so much fun to add character to your home. When people come over, you have all these unique little treasures that you found, and if you travel, I think finding little gems when you travel is such a great idea. Throw something, you know, wrap it up, throw it in your suitcase, just collect those little things over time, and you add up into making a beautiful home. Couldn't not get this dress. I don't know if I got to really try it on in the store, but it was just so good I had to get it. Last thing that I got that I'm so excited about is that chair. It is so weirdly wonderful, and the chair looks like it's marble and kind of goes along with my marble counters and my new marble floor look. Very 80s, which 80s is kind of big for furniture right now. It feels a little bit almost Italian for some reason to me. I could see this in like an Italian home with collected art and unique pieces of furniture. And again, just like I was saying, it's one thing at a time that adds up into this amazing collection of wonderfulness. One more find that was not home decor related were these crazy pants. I went ahead and got them. I love that they're orange. That quilted vibe that's really big for fall that I was talking about. They're super cozy and comfy. So they're like great sweatpants that are ridiculously a statement. I almost forgot the last thing. Gorgeous pot that I plan on working in. I think it could be really cool back there, or even kind of sitting out here on the island with some really beautiful greenery, or on my dining room table. I haven't really figured out exactly where I'm going to use it, but I loved the colors and the detail of this, and it definitely screams 1970s. That is just the beginning of what I'm going to be adding to my home, and just the beginning of videos like this where I'm going to start sharing with you guys where I'm thrifting, what I'm finding. For my home, I plan on going to some flea markets, some antique stores, and I cannot wait to just be bringing you guys in on this journey as I build kind of the new feel and new vibe of my home. And like I said, it's going to be kind of this ongoing journey, so you guys get to be part of it. And I just want to thank again my sponsor for this video, HelloFresh. I said in the beginning of the video, and I want to say again, that I am a huge fan of HelloFresh. We're gonna start doing this on a regular basis. We're gonna add HelloFresh into our plan for every week because it was honestly kind of life-changing this week. I felt like I was making incredible, delicious meals that my family loved and I loved, and I felt very accomplished in the kitchen, and especially now that I have an amazing space to make the food, that was extra fun. I'm gonna have the link down below to make sure that you guys get this special offer that I'm giving of 8 free meals for a month. Use the promo code BJonesStyle80 to get that. And I definitely wanna hear from you guys if you've started using HelloFresh. I'll be doing it with you. I'll probably be sharing it even on Instagram because I think it's fun to kind of see the different meals that we're preparing. And I just feel so happy to be doing it here in my kitchen. Don't worry, I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot more of a reveal where you guys get to see the before and after, the journey to getting to this point, all the little nooks and crannies that are happening here in my house, collecting things. So there's gonna be lots of inspiration coming out on Instagram and of course here on my YouTube channel. So if you have not, make sure you're following me over on Instagram at BJonesStyle. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I do new videos every single Thursday. Can you just tell I'm so happy to be in my kitchen? Always play dress up, even in your house. I'll see you guys later. Bye! I love how delicious all of the options were. I could get out of the dinner rut of making the same old meals every single week, pick from the different 20+ recipes that are curated by a chef, and know that I'm making something different for my family every week.